Hey guys, so in today's video, I am going to be doing a deep clean of my bathroom with me. I hadn't cleaned this bathroom in about a week and 2 days, I want to say, and let me tell you, it was in need of a deep, thorough clean. So I am going to clean literally every single inch of this bathroom, every single item on the counter, in the bathtub, in the shower, the toilet, the floors, everything. What I'm using today is a Basic H by the company called Shaklee. It is a concentrate that I use on the floors. You can use it for laundry, even like in the sinks, whatever you can use it for, and it's absolutely amazing. It is biodegradable and organic, and it's safe to use when you're pregnant or nursing. It's not a sponsored video. I just love that company, and I always use this to clean. The other thing that I do like to use is a spray bottle that I just got from the dollar store, and I fill it with distilled water, vinegar, Dawn dish soap, and some sort of essential oil. I have been loving mint essential oil in this because it just makes everything smell extra clean and fresh. I absolutely love it. I should mention I am not wearing any makeup in this video because, let's be real, who in their right mind wears makeup to clean their bathroom? I mean, seriously, leave it in the comments below if you do. It's okay if you do, but I mean, I just don't. I mean, to each his own, but today I was just like, I'm gonna clean my bathroom and I'm not putting any makeup on. So like this video if you guys have those days where you just don't feel like doing your makeup, you don't feel like getting out of your pajamas or doing anything with your hair, and you just clean and look like a bum all day, because that was me today. Also, if you like cleaning videos, stay tuned for my next video. It is a deep clean of my main floor of my house because baby girl's birthday, she's going to be 1 tomorrow, actually. Well, it's tomorrow for me, but not for you guys. And we have about 20 people coming. So I went like a mad woman cleaning my house. You get to see my beautiful island that was just installed, and it is a serious deep clean. I have a little bit of OCD when it comes to cleanliness, so I went a little nuts. So if you like cleaning, organization, and motivational videos, definitely subscribe so you don't miss that video, and let me know in the comments below if you guys like these videos, if you want to see more of them, and if you want like cooking and stuff like that. I am also, as you guys know, if you follow my channel, currently TTCing for baby number 2, and I document that, and I'm very real about my emotions, my feelings, all of that process. So definitely subscribe if you are new. I would love to have you, and only positive, happy women or men, I guess that's fine too, are allowed on my channel. I don't put up with any negative comments. I just block and delete because this is my happy place, and my happy place for all of my amazing subscribers. I love you guys so much, and I wish I could hug all of you, and I miss you, and I just need to film more so I can talk to you more because I just miss you guys and I love you so much. Also, let me know in the comments below if you guys clean your house like once a week. Do you do certain things every other day? Do you leave it for 2 weeks? I'm really interested to know what you guys do. I typically clean my house like once a week, but I vacuum and wash the floors every day because my baby's crawling everywhere. So I'm a little like nuts about that, but I'd love to hear what you guys do because I'm trying to figure out a better solution for myself. Right now, the once a week is kind of working out, but I kind of like to clean even more than that because I find like especially the bathroom gets so grungy after a week. So I think I need to bump it up to at least twice a week, but let me know what you guys do in the comments below. I appreciate you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed it and got some motivation to clean your bathroom. I love you, and stay tuned for my super deep clean of the main floor. Bye guys.